Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to change time zone on Windows 11 so you can keep your system clock accurate. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click the Start menu in the bottom left corner of your screen. This opens access to all your apps and system settings. Step 2. Click Settings, the gear icon that takes you to Windows 11's main configuration hub for managing your system. Step 3. Click Time and Language on the left sidebar. This section allows you to adjust all date, time, and language settings. Step 4. Click Date and Time. Here you can see your current time, date, and time zone information clearly displayed. Step 5. Turn off Set Time Zone automatically. This ensures you can manually select the time zone you prefer. Step 6. Click the Time Zone drop-down menu. This menu lists all the available time zones around the world. Step 7. Select your desired time zone. Pick the one that matches your location or your preferred region, and your system clock will update immediately. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Windows 11 tips.